Google seems to have finally started rolling out one of the new features of its Photos app. The feature called Color Pop that was introduced at Google I/O 2018 conference has been spotted by some users. The feature, however, doesn't seem to be live for all users yet. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. As mentioned by a user on Reddit and shared by Android Police, the feature is occasionally shown in the Google Play listing changelog. It says, starting today, you might start seeing these new creations in the Assistant tab. The subject of your photo will stay in color, but the background will be in black and white. The user has even posted a screenshot of how the feature looks like. For reference, Google Photos' new Color Pop feature uses artificial intelligence to recognize the subject of the image and the background. Based on this, it can make the background black and white while leaving the subject colorful. You'll see these AI-powered creations in the Assistant tab of Google Photos, says the Google blog post. The Reddit user posted that this new feature was spotted in the app's version 3.20. However, if you don't want to wait for the update, it is possible to get it from the APK Mirror website. According to the user, the feature will pop up automatically in the Photos app in the form of a stylized photo. It was also mentioned that the feature was spotted when the user was on Android P. At I/O 2018, Google also showcased one-tap actions where users can easily edit images by brightening, sharing, rotating, and even arching them. Also introduced was the Google Photos Partner Program, which gives developers the tools to support Google Photos in their own apps. This means in the near future, users can find photos, upload images to photo library, organize albums, and use shared albums from inside a third-party app. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.